Hello everybody, welcome to Life in France. We've just built a raft so we can work in the big lake, and my eldest has decided to test it out to see if it floats. He's 35 kilos, so I'm sure that we'll be able to get 40 to 50 kilos on here without a problem. It's just made from a pallet board, some polystyrene and some old used plastic bottles. How to build a raft with a pallet board. More Life in France. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Take care everybody.